Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video, and today I want to show you how to delete your Selfquest account. So first of all, let's open up Selfquest, just tap on it, and then once we're in the app, tap on the three bars icon at the top left corner, right here. So here you can see your profile image, your profile username, and there is the list with different options. So go to settings, right here, and there are 4 buttons: toggle sound, reset tutorial, delete account, and logout. So we need to tap on delete account. Confirm deletion. Are you sure you want to delete your account? This action cannot be undone. So you can cancel or tap on next to confirm it. So tap on next and delete. Just wait a bit and that's all. That's how you can easily delete your Selfquest account. If this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. And of course, leave your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.